Okay, so let's have a look and see how it turned out. Okay, so the first one turned out pretty good. I have to give it a bit of a sand and bring it up nice and flat. Not as many air bubbles in this one as was with the demo one. Not sure why. Now this straw is absolutely sort of just wedged in there. Oh no, here it comes. Okay, so I'm just going to get some sandpaper now and we'll give it a quick sand and see what it looks like. Yeah, so the sandpaper comes clogged up really easily with this plaster, but it sands really nicely. It's very nice to sand. So we'll just keep going. Alright, so I finished sanding now, and I got some really fine grit paper and finished off the surface, and it's come up quite nice. So I've still got to paint them, and hopefully I got some paint lying around. So the shed will go there. Let's see if I can just feed these wires in through the hole. Yeah, and the signal light will sit nicely there. Okay, so I haven't quite worked out how I'm going to glue the plastic down to the plaster yet, but I'll work something out. So I guess the next thing to do now is to wire up the lights.